Yes, peeps, I just wanted to say thanks for all of your uplifting comments, you know, about me getting this Omicron thing. It's been pretty rough, but I think hopefully by Monday I should be alright. Today's a good day, man. I saw the sun come out and get a bit of sun, get some exercise too, because you know that's important for recovery. And yeah, how's my voice sound? I think my voice sounded a little bit better today. I'm still a bit congested and that, but general feel okay. Still keeping up my herbs and thinking about the old Dub Plate Wars on Saturday. But you know what I mean. Big up DJ Ronnie, man. He said should bring it earlier. We should have the session earlier, and that's if I feel up to it, you know. And take a couple of days under the duvet. But I've had so many days under the duvet, man. How many days under the duvet can you have? You know what I mean? But I know what you're saying, and you know, love to everyone and that. Just a quick update. Peace and love. Nice one. Oh, one more thing. What about all this flipping shit going on in Ukraine, man? What's your take on it, man? Do we get into that? Maybe we don't get into all that, but do you know what I mean? War, man. You know they say, innit, if all else fails, we go to war. You know? Madness out there, bruv. And that's something you don't want to see while you're well. It's not a time to pack your bug out bag, man, if you're in Europe. You know what I mean? All you preppers out there, you know what's up. You know what I mean? Time to head for the Caribbean islands and wait it out, innit? With Robinson Crusoe and that. You guys know what I'm talking about. Babylon business and ting. Anyway, peace out, guys. Love, good vibes, stay positive. Don't watch that. Catch you later.